Hello, how is it going? Today we'll cook sweet and sour vegetables. So it's some kind of mix Chinese and European style. So for that we need some vegetables what you have, I don't know what you have at home, and pineapple. I'll make it in pan so it can see it clearly. So here I have sweet potato and onion, garlic, cabbage, carrot, beetroot. So basically anything you have, you can mix it up. So if pineapple is green, it will be more sour. So it's something like not too green, so it will be a little bit sour and a little bit sweet. So maybe 15 minutes and it will be cooked so easy and quick. And yeah, we can add a little bit of water so it can boil it a bit. And that's it. Super simple. So we'll wait a bit and see what's going next. And yeah, you can add some little bit of salt, seeds, to make it taste a bit better. Alright, 15 minutes and it's ready. It smells amazing and really delicious.